Hello my friend, this video is about the 2022 Ford Tourneo Connect debuts in a road as rebuilt Volkswagen Caddy. The car will have two engines, two transmissions and an available all-wheel drive system. The biggest design change between the Caddy and the Tourneo Connect is at the front, where the Ford gets a wider and more pronounced radiator grille flanked by headlights with integrated C-shaped LED daytime running lights. Customers will be able to choose from a total of 3 trim levels: Sport, Titanium, and Trend. There's also an active model with additional body cladding and distinctive design tweaks. 10 exterior colors will be available at launch. If the cabin looks familiar with you, that's because it basically mimics the interior of the new Caddy with its minimalist center console layout. The HVAC and the audio system controls are integrated into the infotainment system, and Ford doesn't even mention the word S, Y, and C in its press release, which means the new Tourneo Connect uses Volkswagen infotainment software. As standard, the entry-level model comes equipped with an 8.25-inch screen, while the Titanium, Sport, and Active models are fitted with a larger 10-inch display. Optionally available is also the 10.25-inch digital cluster instrument cluster. As per powertrain, the engines are again shared with the new Caddy. This means the selection includes a 1.5-liter turbocharged gas engine with 115 horsepower or 85 kilowatts and 2.0-liter diesel in two power tunes with 122 horsepower or 990 kilowatt and 102 horsepower. While Ford calls these units EcoBoost and EcoBlue respectively, these are essentially Volkswagen TSI and TDI 4-cylinder engines. All models are fitted as standard with the 6-speed manual gearbox, while optionally available is a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. For the first time in history, the Tourneo Connect will be offered with all-wheel drive for the more powerful diesel with a manual gearbox.
I hope you could find something interesting when watching the video. Thanks again for watching.